Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making soft and chewy sugar cookies. We've got all our ingredients measured out and ready to go, so let's go ahead and get started. First we're going to add our butter, and then we'll add both the sugars and vanilla. Now that we've got everything in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and start whisking this all up and get it into a nice sugar paste. Now we'll add our egg and mix that in, and then add our salt and baking powder and baking soda. Go ahead and add our flour and bring the dough all together. Alright, so now that we have nice dough going, I'm going to go ahead and double scoop my cookies using a regular cookie scoop. And she's going to decorate her cookies however she wants to decorate it. This is the fun part for the kids. And I'm going to throw the cookies in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Here they are all done. Thanks for watching, guys.